yeah.
Who is Hikaru? Why does he have superpowers?
Hey!
Road dogs. Heck if I know. For that, you're on your own. An all-new Chaotic. Next Saturday morning.
Rated PG.
On
Whoever
What's this?
everything that was yours is about to become mine.
Chaotic. Next week.
The fate of the overworld is in your hands. As we know it, the Shredder Dynasty begins anew today.
Get out of the way! Donatello, move! Fight with the fire of the Dragon King!
Ah!
Is enveloping the city. This is mine, and soon the world.
The first of the final 3 lost episodes of Ninja Turtles. Next Saturday morning. These in the search for Jessie, the stakes are raised to a whole new level.
When you do battle in this world, the damage you take is for real.
It's not a game, Jake.
Get your game on with an all-new Yu-Gi-Oh! GX next Saturday morning.
When the meanest monsters in the universe come looking for a fight, there's only one name to call. Monsters, villains, vermin, and creeps, your days are numbered.
When I predict you're dead wrong.
You can toss him, you can crush him, you can smash him into smithereens. But no matter what you do, Kirby will keep coming right back at you. When it comes to courage, paint don't shrink.
I need something strong enough to get rid of that Kirby. For good.
That's Kirby. Later this morning.
Bugs.
Now, for a Viva Pinata, Sweet Pig! Get back here, Hedgehog!
See you later, Alfia losers.
Oh!
Will instantly possess what Matt saw. Everything that was yours is about to become mine.
Chaotic. Next Saturday at 8.
The fate of the overworld. It is the end. As we know it, the Shredder Dynasty begins anew today.
Get out of the way! Donatello, move! Fight with the fire of the Dragon King!
The Shredder
Boy!
enveloping the city.
T9!
Is mine, and soon the world.
The first of the final 3 episodes of Ninja Turtles. Saturday morning.
It's so
One of these duelists will get sent to the stars. And it won't be who you expect. Jordan!
Ah!
All new Yu-Gi-Oh! GX Into the Shadows.
Rated
Saturday
PG.
morning.
Something really, really big. Boy, oh boy, oh boy. It's Clifford, the big red.
Ah!
Will instantly possess what Matt Saw has lost. Everything
Oh! That's the correspondent.
to become
Master Star. Master.
Chaotic.
Next week at 8 on KUIU.
fate of the overworld is in your It is the end of life as we know it. The Shredder Dynasty begins anew today.
Get out of the way!
Donatello,
Move! Fight with the fire of the Dragon King!
The Shredder's dark magic is enveloping the city. This is mine, and soon the world.
the first of the final 3 lost episodes of Ninja Turtles. Next Saturday morning.
Rated G.
Program is brought to you.
Brought to you by Jesse G-Bucks Television.
Hiya, movie buffs. I'm Ryan Tucker. This week on Saturday Night Cinema, he's a millionaire playboy forced to marry for money until he falls in love with a working-class, fast-talking waitress. Trivia time. Who turned down the lead in Arthur? Answer, John Belushi. That would have been a whole different movie.
The
Finale
Simpsons.
starring Arthur on Saturday Night Cinema at 8 on KSPS.
The Simpsons. 19.